So here's how to fix graphics driver crashed. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Error in Valorant. So first what you can do is right click on the Windows logo and then go to the device manager. And in here you want to double click on the display adapters and select your main GPU. Now right click and select update drivers. And in here you want to search automatically for drivers. Now, if it finds any available drivers, it should start downloading them automatically. Otherwise, it will tell you that you have the best drivers installed. You can also perform a search for updated drivers on Windows Update by clicking this. And it should check for updates. Now, if you see any potential updates in here, you should download and install them. Otherwise, what you can do is go to the advanced options and then click on optional updates. And if you see any GPU related updates in here, you should select them by checking the box next to them and then click on download and uninstall. And that should install them and restart your PC. Now, once you reboot your PC, what you can do is install your GPU app. So for example, I have NVIDIA GPU, I have NVIDIA app installed, which could be different for other GPUs. Now, if you don't have NVIDIA app, you can simply open your browser and search for NVIDIA app. And you can simply download the app and install it from here. Now, once you open the NVIDIA app, go to the drivers section. And in here, you want to make sure that you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed. You can also click on this arrow here to check for updates. And then you should download and install the latest updates. Then you will simply need to reboot your PC. Now you want to open the NVIDIA control panel or your relative GPU control panel. And in here you want to select NVIDIA GPU to be the main. So you can go to configure surround and PhysX. And in here you want to make sure your main GPU is selected instead of auto select. And then you want to come back to manage 3D settings. And in here, you want to go to program settings and make sure you add Valorant in here. If you don't see it, you can click on the add button. And from here, you can search for Valorant. And if you still don't see it in this list, what you can do is browse and go to the Valorant install directory. And then you can open the Valorant exe and add it to this program. And in this list, you want to scroll down to OpenGL rendering GPU. And in here, you want to make sure that NVIDIA or your main GPU is selected instead of auto select. And now you can simply press apply. Now, once the changes have been applied, you can close this and then try to run your Valorant game as administrator. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.